On this week's episode, baked oatmeal smoothie. Add rolled oats. Add frozen mixed berries. 2 tablespoons of rice pudding is optional. Some yogurt. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Honey or syrup is also optional. A milk of your choice. A teaspoon of baking powder. Add some of the smoothie to an oven-proof dish. Add a few teaspoons of jam. Link to the recipe of my homemade jam is in the link below. Bake in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Top with berries. And that's it. If you're interested in other baked oatmeal smoothie recipes, please let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Love you all, and God bless.